Alright guys, so today we're doing the lift kit for as cheap as we can. We've already got this side torn apart. U-bolts are going to be long enough to throw both of these leafs in, but the problem we're running into right now is that the center pins aren't long enough. So I had to go up and buy a couple of bolts, and we're going to try to modify them so that they'll work, because they need to fit into the bottom of the axle there. Need to go through all the leaves, be able to clamp them all down. And yeah, so it's just gonna be a process. So we're starting to modify those now, but we've only been doing this for a little over an hour, and this side is like apart, and we haven't even touched this in like half an hour or so. Yeah, and then I need to fix this coolant leak. It's leaking out of this bleeder thing, and it's been leaking coolant everywhere. So yeah, there's the shined up engine bay. Looks pretty good. So we just finished the one side. We ended up just throwing in, the other leaf isn't here, but we ended up throwing in one leaf underneath. It's still kind of sitting not square, so I need to retighten those U-bolts. But you can see the camber's already just starting to go, but it's fine. But even just doing that was like, it raised it 2 inches on one side. So now we gotta do the other side. Finish the other side. Yeah, that's actually quite a bit higher.
Oh yeah. Oh.
So you can't really see it from where it is right now, but front for sure. Got a good lift out of that. Just that one leaf spring. How it sits. We got some positive camber, but it's definitely level for sure now. If anything, it might even look like it sits higher in the front. So I've got 35s that I'm going to be picking up, and I found a lift kit on eBay, a 3-inch mini spring pack lift with camber like axle drop brackets for like 250 bucks. So I might go that route, throw that in. Yeah. But this is good for free, it's leveled. Yeah, so the camber is the only problem right now, but it sits nice. So I'll probably just get that 3-inch lift for like 250 and then fix that. Okay, so now next thing to do is get this fitting off and put a new piece in there because it is leaking. The coolant thing, so now I've got the one spot on the truck that that's got rust on it. So I've got some Bondo here because I found this. I don't even know what I was doing. I was working one day and found this. It's brand new hardener and everything, so might see what I can do. Maybe slap some of that on, and yeah, it's just the one spot, so might as well try it. This side I kind of cleaned off, but not really, just kind of rinsed it to see what it would look like. I just cleaned out all this because there was coolant everywhere over here. Still nice and greasy down there. When I go to paint the truck, I'm going to take off the grill, and I'm going to delete this evap canister with all these lines and stuff that can go. And then I can get rid of this big AC condenser, which is sitting right in front of the rad, blocking a lot of airflow. So get rid of that and continue to clean up this engine bay a little bit. But let's go look at the rust here, the Bondo. So it's just this section here. I'm just gonna go get some sandpaper, sand it down, and see what we can do. Alright, so there's some Bondo in it. It's raining out, so that's gonna really help it get hard. Tomorrow's gonna be nice, so I can probably finish this off. It's raining right now. Just picked up 2 of the wheels on the the ones I was going to pick up from the wrecker, they're still waiting for 2 more of them to come off. Next problem that I'm finding out is that I'm going to need new lug nuts, because the ones that came with it, they're off of a first gen Dodge, and they're too small, so I need bigger ones. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be making one tomorrow, so stay tuned for that.